Welcome to Cleveland, Ohio, home of the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame, the Cleveland Browns, and one thing you may not have known, your favorite holiday movie.
Ralphie, you're waiting. Oh, come on, Mom. Right now.
Immediately, my feet began to sweat as those two fluffy little bunnies with the blue button eyes stared sappily up at me.
He looks like a deranged Easter bunny.
He does not.
He does, too. He looks like a pink nightmare. Are you happy wearing that? Do you want to take it off? Well, tell the kid to take it off.
All right, you'll only wear it when Aunt Clara visits. Go on and take it off.
Take it off!
We are here in Cleveland, Ohio to kick off this holiday season, and one of our favorite parts of the holidays is spending time with family and friends, and one of my family's old traditions is to watch A Christmas Story on repeat all night Christmas Eve and all day Christmas Day. We've not come here just to take a tour. We're actually gonna stay in the Christmas Story house overnight. That's right, and it's actually the best way to experience the house because you get it all to yourself. And yes, we run all over the house and revisit our favorite memories of A Christmas Story. Now come with us and let us show you this house and our experience inside of it. The Christmas Story Loft is available overnight, year-round, for up to 6 people. This grants you private access to the house starting at 5 p.m. and ends at 8 a.m. Before June of 2017, you were only able to stay overnight at the property if you were the winner of the annual Christmas holiday charity auction. One thing to consider, if you do stay at the house, that's where you're sleeping. This is going to be your main entrance and how you're going to get your luggage in and out of the house before 5 p.m.
Let me show you our accommodations for the night. Welcome to A Christmas Story house. Let me show you around the loft of the main house. Come on. So welcome to our kitchen down here. We'll show you that in just a minute, but let's go upstairs and check out the bedroom. In here is the main bedroom. So inside the loft is a queen size bed overlooking the museum and the gift shop. All right, now let me show you the bathroom. Inside the bathroom, you have plenty of accommodation here. You've got a full-size sink and a full-size walk-in shower. So behind the door, we do have some extra accoutrement. We have some extra toothbrushes just in case you forgot yours, some extra soaps, hair dryer, lint roller, and some extra towels down below. The old man is watching you. So inside the kitchen here, we have a full-size kitchen with a stove, a fridge, a microwave, a toaster. We've even got a sink, cutlery, and Keurig for coffee.
What's behind that door?
I don't know, we're gonna find out together. I'm so nervous. There's another staircase. Okay.
We're in the actual house. Hold on, Randy! Be sure to drink your Ovaltine. It's a crummy commercial. The majority of this film was shot in this house in this town, but there are scenes that were shot on a stage in a studio in Vancouver.
This is just so cool. I mean, like, they have the little radio going, they've got the bowling ball, they have the Red Ryder BB gun. It's perfect. so perfect.
It is very cool. So for any of you guys out there that have ever watched this on Christmas Day, leave a comment down below and let us know if you would stay here.
I want to know what your favorite part of this movie is.
Is it the leg?
Yeah, statue. Ralphie.
Oh, wow. Or is it the decoder? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Is it the bowling ball?
Needing you.
Thanks a lot.
Is it the bunny suit? Or the infamous turkey scene?
I have to say, when he's in the kitchen and all of a sudden you hear the rumbling and it's, oh, and he just stops in his tracks, the old man, he's like, what's that noise? Oh, the furnace. That's one of my favorite, for sure. What's your favorite?
Okay, my favorite part. You have to go with it.
Oh.
Is when the mom calls Ralphie's best friend and she's on the phone with him. It actually talks. What? It's really happening on the phone.
That's great.
Hold on. You gotta listen.
That is so funny. I love
I
that they
didn't
did
know
that.
that happened. It's so exciting.
Oh, so great.
Okay, that's my favorite part.
Yes.
Oh my god, this is the bathroom? I'm so excited. It even has the soap.
That's great.
Oh, I'm so excited.
The decoder pen. Be sure to drink your Ovaltine. Old commode. Don't use the commode.
Look at these light switches.
Hit them.
Oh, you have a poop fan.
You'll shoot your eye out. You'll shoot your eye out. Wah. That's funny. Look right here. The property is located on 11th Street right at Raleigh Avenue. It's made up of 5 main buildings, a Christmas Story house, the Bumpus House, the Rowley Inn, the museum, and the gift shop. If you were just coming here for the day, you could spend about 2 hours. You could take a tour and then find an awesome Christmas gift for a family member at the gift shop. The gift shop offers a range of merchandise inspired by the classic film. Visitors can find themed items like replicas of the leg lamp or the major award, clothing, ornaments, and collectibles. It's a perfect spot for fans to pick up a unique souvenir and holiday decorations for celebrating the film's nostalgic charm. Whether you decide to stay at the Christmas Story house or the Bumpus House, you have food options. Both houses come with full kitchens, but if you're feeling a little lazy, you've got a really nice option just across the way at the Rowley Inn. serving up elevated bar food and drinks to match. These guys aren't just known for being across the street from a Christmas Story house. These guys have actually been featured on Guys, Diners, Drive-Ins, and Dives. And let me tell you, I couldn't think of a better thing to do than go back and eat this food while watching A Christmas Story at the Loft. As a part of the house tour, you get access to the Christmas Story Museum just across the street. The museum features exhibits that showcase memorabilia, behind-the-scenes photos, and artifacts from the production. The tour guides were very knowledgeable when it came to the history of props and why things were filmed at the house versus in Vancouver at the studio. This is one of 5 Red Ryder BB guns that they made for the production, 4 of which are accounted for. 1 is still out there somewhere. So if you have a gun like this at home that's not registered, you may want to contact someone. All in all, with the tour, we learned so much cool information that I'll absolutely vomit up to my family this year when we're watching the movie.
Someone purchased this truck on eBay. They ripped everything down and rebuilt it, and the museum purchased it in 2014 to put it on display.
So although this was not filmed in Indiana, which is a fictitious town, Holman, Indiana, it was actually filmed here in Ohio, just outside of Cleveland. So if you look really closely on this fire truck, you may find a couple little hidden things on the emblem.
If you can't stay at the house, definitely make sure that you take the tour, because you do get to experience all of the house plus the museum, which is very fun. There's a lot of details that are in the tour that if you just stay here and don't take the tour, you kind of miss out on a little bit of that history. Anyway, we hope you guys enjoyed this, and if this is one of your favorite holiday movies, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to give us that thumbs up and share this with someone who loves this movie. We'll see you guys next time.
Hold on, you gotta listen.
Bye.